Yeah, people, we are going there, boy, mash madness. Yeah, we just get our food. Right now we have this right here, people. Look at that. Wow. Until you get a closer look at that. Look at that. We have fried plantains or plantanos if you from the Hispanic countries. We have over here a little Rasta pasta. We mix it with a little bit of fried chicken, Barbie fried right here, and jerk chicken in the back. And we have rice and peas over here, people. But they didn't give us any fork, okay? So we have to do it like the Africans today. All right. So first, I'm gonna try one of the fried plantains. Try one of the fried plantains, people. Look at that. Whoa. Fully caramelized, burnt on the ends a little bit, just the way I like it. There you have it. And we're gonna take a bite into that, people. Okay. It's a little bit sweet. Good texture on the outside. Fried well. Amazing. Alright. Yeah, fried plantains, I give that a 8 out of 10, people. Alright. And we got the food from a little place called Just Chicken, people. Just Chicken in Porus, Manchester, Jamaica. Alright, we're gonna take a bite out of the fried chicken now. Let's see the fried chicken. Let me see if I can get to that. Wow, crispy. Look at that. Until you get a better look at that. Look at that. Good fried chicken, people. Alright. There you have it. I'm gonna take a bite out of it and let you know what it is, alright? First bite, people. Real crispy. Moist. Well seasoned. Not overly seasoned. And a nice batter on that too, people. Look at the batter on that. I don't know what they use. I want to see if you can hear the crisp in that. Take another bite. Look at that. You hear that, people? That's bite number 2. And that's a little bone we leave off of that. Out of the leg. If you're not eating your chicken legs like this, people, you don't know what you're missing. Alright. Good flavor. I didn't get any sauces today, people. No sauces. But good flavor. I give it a 7 out of 10, people, on the fried chicken. Alright. Next up, I'm gonna try some of the Rasta pasta, people. Remember, I don't have any fork. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like how they do it in Africa. And I did wash my hands, people. Okay? So don't come in the comments talking about our hands wasn't washed. Rasta pasta. There you have it. Look at that. Colorful. Glad they have some mayonnaise on that. I don't know if they have any eggs in there or whatever, but try some of the Rasta pasta, people. There we go. Wow. Not bad. It's actually kind of sweet. Not sure if they put brown sugar in there, but they mixed it with a little bit of corn. See that? Corn and green peas and I think this is carrots, stuff like that. Good. Pretty good. Good Rasta pasta. I never had Rasta pasta like this before. Just good. Alright. I'll give that a I'll say 8 out of 10 people. Real good. Alright. Next up we have the jerk chicken. Let me see if I can get to the jerk chicken. Look at that. Wow. Saucy. Tender. Pretty much falling off the bone. Not sure how they jerk this, people, but go ahead and take a bite out of this as well. And I'm gonna let you know. Go ahead, you take the first bite, people. Alright. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Jerk chicken, as you can see. First bite. Not bad. Actually, give that one a thumbs up, people. It's not a typical jerk chicken, people. But the sauce they put on this is amazing. Amazing sauce on this. Yeah, turn up. Turn up. I don't know what kind of, but they bad. So it look like they jerk the chicken first. Not sure for how long, but I'm jerk the chicken, people, and then I'm have a special sauce for them. Either lather over that while it's jerking or after. But as you can see, call the sauce a little finger. You know what I mean? So jerk chicken, definite pass. I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10. Alright. I try some of the rice and peas, people. As you see the rice and peas right here. I don't know why I waited so long to try the rice and peas, but maybe because I'm on a fork, isn't it? For some reason it was crowded, a lot of people, so maybe she just forgot, you know what I mean? Don't fire her and a bossy. But we're gonna try, let me see if I can get a nice scoop of rice and peas. There you have it. Rice and peas. That might not look so appealing, people, but as you can see, it's well seasoned. Got a lot of peas in there to complement the rice. Not sure if it's what kind of rice it is, but it's looking pretty good, smelling good. So it's a time for taste test at this time. So I'm gonna try some of the rice and peas, and I'll let you know what's up. A little messy, you know what I mean? But honestly, and I'm gonna be completely honest, that man ain't not bad. Actually tough. Try some more. See, maybe for this first try. That man can taste the coconut milk or the coconut powder, whatever they use in this. Seasonings, you know. And I like my rice not too soggy, people. I like my rice shelly and nice, you know what I mean? You're supposed to, every rice grain is supposed to stand on their own, you know what I mean? Yeah. First impression on the rice, well done. Job well done. Just chicken. Give the rice a solid 8 out of 10. You know what I mean? Solid 8 out of 10 for the rice. Oh, last but not least, we have Barbie chicken. Barbie fried chicken. With a little bit of pasta. And see if I can get some of this pasta off. We already had the pasta, right? So we want to try the Barbie fry by itself. As you can see, I guess it's pretty much fried chicken, which is what we had earlier, but with a little spaz, a little flair. There you go. I mean, just based off the look, be honest people, it's looking so good right now. Alright, we're gonna take a bite into that. Right off the bone. Wow. Hold on. One more try, people. I'm tasting a little bit of barbecue sauce. Seasoned as well as the fried chicken, but with a little bit of spice on it. Very good. Very good.